Today we are going to create a program on matrix addition and subtraction. So let's include the header files and now writing the program body, int main parenthesis, and now in the program we are going to specify some integer variables that I, j and an array, integer array that has 100 and 100, that has 100 rows and 100 columns. Okay, now so we are going to write first to ask for the element of the matrix. So for the first matrix we are going to enter the elements of matrix A, and now we are going to start a for loop to get the value, to get the inputs for values of the matrix elements. Here we are going to take the rows as 2 because I don't want to make it a lengthy matrix. So for this particular program we are going to take a 2 by 2 matrix, and let's see, and that we are going to add for j we are also going to take the value as 2, and now we are going to write a scanf statement. This will print the value, this will input the value at the particular intervals, that's ij, and for the value of 0 0 the program is going to take input as a 0 0, and for and the loop will start for 0 1, and again for 1 0, and again for 1 1. So we are going to get 4 elements in the matrix. You can get the you can check the elements by multiplying the m into n, that's order of the matrix, 2 into 2. This will give the elements. Now we are going to copy that statement and changing this scanf statement to printf statement, and %d with we are going to remove the %d, and we are going to, for the gap between the two elements of the matrix, we are going to write a backslash sequence \t and a print n, so that once the loop is completed, the other two elements come in the next line. So let's check it for the here's the problem. Let's check into the code. Here, where's the problem? I forgot about changing I to j. So now with this the program will run probably. Now changing it for the printf statement also. Now we are going to write the elements of the first matrix 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, let's see. The first two elements had a gap between them, and the last two elements came in the next line, are printed in the next line. So for good program, let's add a printf statement which will tell us where the matrix starts from. So we are going to give the input. Now we are get the output as matrix A is. So now we are going to copy that whole statement, and change it for the second matrix. We are going to change A to B. So let's change it. Enter the elements of matrix B. Okay, let's see what is there. Matrix B, and let's check it. Yes, we are going to also add another matrix, and we are going to another matrix B 100 100. So let's write it in the integer. It is also going to be integer array. So B 100 100, and we are going to also make a matrix C which will store the addition of the matrix A and B. So let's put it. And now after the index we are going to write a printf. We are going to write a printf statement that will. We are going to write a scanf simple loop which will add the value of matrix 0 0, which will add the matrix value of matrix A and matrix B at the same intervals, that's 0 0 0 1 0 to the third matrix C. So first let's write addition of matrix. This is a comment, and we have copied it. Now we are going to change it here. We are going to write C ij is equals to aij. We are going to copy it and write it and change the C with A or B plus A B. This will store the elements after addition in the matrix C, and now we are going to write another loop which will print the elements of the matrix C. So we are going to write a statement printf %d, now parenthesis, close parenthesis. We are going to remove all of this. Now to make it look great, we are going to write a printf backslash sequence another line, and here backslash t. So the program for the matrix addition is completed. Now we are going to check it. First remove it. First let's remove the equal. We are going to check it. So for the element of matrix A, 1 2 3 4, yes, the matrix is 1 2 3 4. For this matrix B, 5 6 7 8. Now check it. Hey, look, we are going to write a printf statement differentiating between the matrix B and the addition matrix C. So let's change it. We are going to write a printf statement signifying us from where the printf statement starts. Matrix addition. Here printf %n addition of matrix A and B is matrix B is completed colon. Now we are going to copy this whole printf statement to the last for loop, so that we are going to write the subtraction matrix program. First, before that, let's check it for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, look, it is differentiating. You can see. Now we are going to copy this here till here, and we are going to paste it here and changing the sign addition to subtraction and sign of plus to minus. In place of addition, we are going to write subtraction. So I got the mistake, it's subtraction. Now we are going to change the positive to negative. And here negative, and also yes, that's it. Now we are going to run the program for different values, for some arbitrary values. Let's check it. The matrix is for 2 78 120, and now for matrix B we have 57 34 9 26, and this is addition of matrix A and matrix B is, and subtraction of matrix A and matrix B is. You can check here, the values are right to the point. So this concludes the program of matrix addition and subtraction. Let's meet again in another video. Okay, bye. Please subscribe to this channel and like it.